Hi, I'm Amanda Jane Woodall and welcome to my fashion school. So today I actually had a different video planned, but we're going to be a bit spontaneous because I was feeling a little bit flat and unmotivated about my idea, and the best cure for that is to get yourself out and finding new inspiration. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to take you along with me, and this is a great tip to anyone who this week is feeling a little bit flat, a little bit unmotivated. It's difficult to keep generating new ideas. Get yourself off your phone, away from screens and into nature or something that's going to inspire you and invigorate you. And we're here now in the woods, so let's go and see what we can find. No, I do.
Probably just get a boat to get on it.
Some kind of wild man.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I do.
A killer?
Maybe not a killer, maybe just somebody who's like...
Gone crazy?
Yeah, or like just abandoned life. Maybe it'll be the most boring thing on earth, but what can we do? What can we do? We're gonna go for it. Okay, I will see you soon. Yes, I will.